Welcome to the episode number 3. Today we deal with, as usual, base method itself. We discussed earlier in episode 2 with multiplication in base method two numbers. But here, 3 parts we can multiply. If you want to find the product of 998, 999 and 1006, we are able to solve the same in a single line. We need not to go for individual products. See, as usual, usually we used to find the product. If you, we have to find the product of these two, and again the product will multiply with this 1006. We need not to solve all these petty things. We are able to solve in a single line. See, its base is 1000. It is 998 less than 1000 by 2. Right, minus 2, minus 1, and plus 6 because it is more than 1000. And now you can close any one of these three. You close if you close this one. If you close this one, it is mine. You have to add these two numbers. Minus 1 plus 6 is plus 5. Add that plus 5 to the 998. We can get 1003. If we close this one, we have to add this one. Minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4. If we have to add the plus 4 to the 999, we can get the same value. If we close this one also, we can get the same value. See, we will check. This is plus 6. Add these two. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Add minus 3 to this 1006, it becomes 1006 minus 3, it becomes 1003. So as usual, see here, let it be A, it is B, it is C. Now we are able to find the products of pair numbers AB, BC, CA. AB in the sense minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2, BC is minus 6, CA is minus 2 into minus plus 6 is minus 12. And now finally find the product of A, B, C all together. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, minus into minus plus, plus into plus, plus 12, but write one more 0 here because it is 3-digit number, its base is 1000. And now next step is 1003 minus 16, you have to write 1 0 here and bar, and now 0 1 2 you can write as usual 0 1 2 here. But if whenever there is no bar, we can remove simply obliques, we can find the answer same as it is. But here there is a bar number, we should take one number bar, it becomes 1002. Bar in the sense 1000 value is 1000, whatever the base value, that itself is the bar value. So we taken one number, so therefore we have taken 1000 here. It is 1000 minus 16 becomes 984. Finally we can write this value as usual 0 1 2. This is the final product of these three. For example, here we are able to find the 4 products also. That means 4 numbers also. See, 8 into 10,002 into 10,003 into, for example, this 999, etc. But these like product also we are able to solve in a single line. How? We'll check. Its base is 10,000. Its base is 10,000. 40 value minus 2. It is plus 2. It is plus 3 minus 1. Here also we can close any one of the values. This one or this one. Any one. You better close maximum value. Wherever the maximum value is, you close that itself. So if we close this one, add these 3 together. Minus 2 plus 2 0, and it is minus 1. That means add this minus 1 to this. It becomes 10,002. If you close this one, see, if you close this one, plus 2 plus 3 is plus 5. Plus 5 minus 1 is plus 4. Add this plus 4 to this number. We will get 10,002. Same answer. And now find AB, BC, CA, and again AD, like that. So individual products. First, minus 2 into plus 2, minus 4. Minus 2 into plus 3, minus 6. Minus 2 into minus 1, plus 2. And now these two. Plus 2 into plus 3, plus 6. And again plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Plus 3 into minus 1, minus 3. That's all. And finally, the next step is three numbers, 3 pairs. Triads we have to take. A, B, C and A, B, D and A, C, D, like that. So 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, it becomes minus 12. And now 2 2 is 4, 4 1 is 4, it becomes plus 4, because minus into plus minus, minus into minus minus, again minus into minus plus. Now 2 3 is 6, 6 1 is 6, it is plus 6. And finally these three, 2 3 is 6, 6 1 is 6, minus 6. We have to find the all product all together, this quadruple numbers. 2 3 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 1 is 12. Minus into plus minus, again minus into plus minus, that minus into minus plus, plus 12, but write 2 more zeros here because its base is 10,000. 10,000 consists 4 zeros. Now finally we are concluding this step 1002. Wherever it is possible you can get cancel. Minus 4 minus 3, it is minus 7. Minus 7 means bar, write 3 more zeros in front of 7, right, bar. And finally this plus 6 minus 6 get cancelled. Minus 12 minus 4 is minus 8. Minus in the sense 3 zeros, 8, bar. And finally 0 1 2. This is the answer. But here are 2 bars. Whenever there is no bar we can remove these obliques. This is the final answer. But here first send this one from leftwards. It becomes 10,001. 1 digit borrowed means 10,000. 10,000 minus 7 is 9993 and 00080012. And here is a bar. We should remove this bar by sending 1 digit here. So it becomes 10,001. 999 means 9992. 1 means send one digit in the sense 10,000. 10,000 minus 8 is 9992 and 0012. This is the answer. So we are able to solve such type of problems like that. For example, okay, we will deal again not round figure base methods, other base methods also will deal in next episode. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. This is Lammathu Srinivasarao. Get my books on Amazon by simply typing Lammathu Srinivasarao. Please subscribe Winner's Weapon YouTube channel. Thank you so much. All the best.